In May 2024, I embarked on my second through hiking adventure, the West Highland Way, which runs 96 miles from Mulgai, just north of Glasgow, to Fort William. This time, Ben decided to come on the adventure too, so we invested in a 2-man hiking pole tent, the Lanshan 2 Pro. The adventure took us up Conic Hill, along Loch Lomond, so that's going to be our view in the morning, through amazing bluebell fields. We saw wildlife, waterfalls, met new friends, into the Highlands, through Rannoch Moor, up Devil Staircase, some really wild camping spots with incredible views, until finally reaching the end point.
The importance of checking it in your boots. This little slug decided to have a nice cosy night out in my boot. Other one's clean. Just going to go down to the river to get some water because we are out of water, and what I've got to do is get some. The issue is, because of the rain last night, the river's now in flood. If you look at the colour of the water though, it has gone quite a peaty brown colour. That hopefully is peat. This is not as fresh as I'd like, but this is going to be a good test of the system. So I'm just going to dip my pan in here and hopefully it's going to be all right. So what I'm going to do is pour some of the water into here and see the colour. Oh no, look at this colour. Look at the colour of that. So what I'm going to do is just pour this into here and we should be good to go. Easier said than done. So I believe it's just screw this on. How do you turn it on? I suppose you just turn it upside down. Might help if I read the instructions here. Squeeze water filter. I did. I squeezed it like I was milking a cow. Oh yeah, there's water coming out of that. That is pretty clear actually. I suppose I could just drink this. Tastes alright. Doesn't taste of chlorine. That tastes alright.
We're all packed up and we're heading for the Green Welly stop. More magical mossy woods with lichen all over the trees. Birds singing. It's a joyous morning. The Lochan of the Lost Sword. We're going through all these fields of heather. They're not in bloom, but you can imagine what it would be like when they are. Tiny cairns. Bastion Green, and I think we're about to come up to the campsite that we had thought about coming to, the By the Way campsite. So that would have been a possibility to stay last night. What did you say?
Where do all the campers usually stay?
Around the back somewhere, I think. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
I've finally arrived at the Green Welly stop. We stocked up at the Green Welly stop. We also had some breakfast there, and also at Brody's. So our packs are a bit heavier, but we're on our way again to Inveroran. Really feels like we're in the Highlands now.
Another little tunnel, but this time we have head height just a couple of inches.
A very pretty path with the gorse bushes lining it and little streams. It's just really pretty, isn't it?
It's nice.
And this gorse smells like coconut. It's gorgeous. Bendrain. Something else. This is Bridge of Walkie, that's Bridge of Walkie station. I think some of these old waiting rooms have been converted into bed and breakfasts. So I think we take a left down here. Here we go. And under the railway.
This looks like the place to eat. There's no real life.
Only the
Bridge of Walkie Hotel.
Fish and chips.
No, these are junky chips.
We're all fueled up and ready to go on as long as we can and wild camp somewhere again. proper view of Loch Atala. We've reached the top just below Ben Inver Bay. Need to put that stone on the cairn. And this is our view right across Rannoch Moor.
Come down the hill, and we are at Inverroom here. Beautiful weather. Deer over here. We set up the next light. Where are we?
Just past Inverroren.
And hopefully we can have a nice big tea. So we've bought lots of food, all quite heavy.
Yeah, that's why our rucksacks go.
And industrial size gas canister, because I didn't have a replacement. Oh, a small one probably would last, I think.